Welcome to our channel, Me and Animals. Animals are really lovely. Be kind to them. Let's go.
Elephants are majestic animals that are admired for their size, intelligence, and social behavior. They belong to the family Elephantidae and are the largest land animals in the world. There are 3 different species of elephants: the African forest elephant, the African bush elephant, and the Asian elephant. In this article, we will explore the different breeds of elephants, their habitats, appearance, and food. African forest elephant. The African forest elephant is the smallest of the 3 elephant species. They are found in the forests of Central Africa and can be distinguished from other elephant species by their smaller size, straighter tusks, and darker color. They have straighter and downward-pointing tusks, which help them navigate through the dense forest vegetation. African forest elephants are herbivores, and their diet mainly consists of leaves, fruits, and bark. They have a special diet preference for the fruits of the deca tree and the seeds of the African pear. Appearance. African forest elephants have a dark brown to black color and are smaller in size than African bush elephants. They have straight tusks that point downward, and their ears are rounded and smaller than those of other elephant species. Habitat. African forest elephants are found in the dense forests of Central and West Africa, including Gabon, Cameroon, Congo, and the Central African Republic. They prefer to live in areas with dense vegetation cover and access to water sources. Food. African forest elephants are herbivores and feed on various vegetation, including leaves, fruits, and bark. They prefer the fruits of the deca tree and the seeds of the African pear. African bush elephant. The African bush elephant is the largest of the 3 elephant species and is found in the savannas, forests, and deserts of Africa. They are distinguished by their large size, curved tusks, and gray color. African bush elephants are herbivores and consume up to 300 pounds of vegetation per day. Appearance. African bush elephants have a gray color and are the largest of the 3 elephant species. They have curved tusks that can grow up to 10 feet long, and their ears are large and fan-shaped. Habitat. African bush elephants are found in the savannas, forests, and deserts of Africa. They prefer areas with access to water sources and vegetation. Food. African bush elephants are herbivores and consume up to 300 pounds of vegetation per day. Their diet includes leaves, grasses, bark, fruits, and roots. Asian elephant. The Asian elephant is the only elephant species found in Asia and is smaller than the African bush elephant. They are distinguished by their smaller size, lighter color, and smaller ears. Asian elephants are herbivores and consume up to 330 pounds of vegetation per day. Appearance. Asian elephants have a lighter color than African elephants and have smaller ears. They also have smaller tusks, and some females do not have tusks at all. Habitat. Asian elephants are found in the forests and grasslands of Southeast Asia, including India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Indonesia. They prefer areas with access to water sources and vegetation. Food. Asian elephants are herbivores and consume up to 330 pounds of vegetation per day. Their diet includes leaves, grasses, bark, fruits, and roots. Differences between the 3 elephant species. The 3 elephant species have some noticeable differences in appearance, habitat, and behavior. African bush elephants are the largest of the 3 and have curved tusks, while African forest elephants are smaller and have straight tusks. Asian elephants have smaller tusks and are lighter in color than African elephants. African forest elephants are found in the dense forests of Central Africa, while African bush elephants are found in the savannas, forests, and deserts of Africa, and Asian elephants are found in the forests and grasslands of Southeast Asia. Another notable difference is in their social behavior. African elephants are known to live in large herds, with a matriarch leading the group. They are also known for their strong family bonds and are often seen caring for their young. Asian elephants, on the other hand, live in smaller herds and are less social than African elephants. They also have a less defined social hierarchy. Conservation status. All three elephant species are considered to be threatened due to habitat loss, poaching for their ivory tusks, and human-wildlife conflicts. The African forest elephant is listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, with a population decline of more than 86% in the last few decades. The African bush elephant is listed as vulnerable, with a population decline of approximately 30% in the last few decades. The Asian elephant is also listed as endangered, with a population decline of approximately 50% in the last few decades. Efforts are being made to conserve these magnificent animals. Conservation organizations are working to reduce human-elephant conflicts, protect their habitat, and raise awareness about the importance of elephant conservation. Anti-poaching measures have also been put in place to reduce the number of elephants killed for their tusks. Conclusion. In conclusion, the different breeds of elephants, the African forest elephant, the African bush elephant, and the Asian elephant, are unique in their appearance, habitat, and behavior. African bush elephants are the largest of the three, while African forest elephants are the smallest. Asian elephants are found in Southeast Asia and are lighter in color than African elephants. All three elephant species are herbivores and consume large amounts of vegetation each day. Despite their size and strength, all three elephant species are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and human-elephant conflicts. Conservation efforts are crucial in ensuring the survival of these magnificent animals for future generations to come. In addition to the physical and behavioral differences between the different breeds of elephants, there are also differences in their diets and feeding behaviors. Elephants are herbivores and consume large quantities of vegetation each day, with an adult elephant eating up to 300 pounds of food daily. African elephants are known to feed on a variety of vegetation, including grasses, leaves, bark, and fruits. They have been known to strip bark from trees with their tusks and to use their trunks to uproot small trees and shrubs. During the dry season, when water sources may be scarce, African elephants have been observed digging deep holes in dry river beds to reach underground water sources. Asian elephants have a similar diet to African elephants, feeding on a variety of vegetation including grasses, leaves, and fruits. However, they are known to prefer certain types of plants, such as bamboo, and may travel long distances in search of their preferred foods. In addition to their diets, there are also differences in the way that different breeds of elephants feed. African elephants have longer, straighter trunks than Asian elephants, which allows them to reach higher vegetation. They are also known to use their tusks to dig up roots and tear the bark off of trees. Asian elephants, on the other hand, have a more flexible trunk that is better suited for grabbing and manipulating small objects, such as food. The habitats of different breeds of elephants also vary widely. African bush elephants are found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, forests, and deserts, and are known for their ability to adapt to a range of different environmental conditions. African forest elephants, on the other hand, are found primarily in dense rainforests and other forested areas, where they feed on a variety of vegetation, including leaves, fruits, and seeds. Asian elephants are found primarily in the forests and grasslands of Southeast Asia, where they feed on a variety of vegetation, including bamboo, grasses, and fruits. They are adapted to living in dense forests, and their smaller size allows them to navigate through the trees and underbrush more easily than their African counterparts. The appearance of different breeds of elephants also varies, with African elephants being larger and darker in color than their Asian counterparts. African bush elephants can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,200 pounds, and stand up to 4 meters, 13 feet, tall at the shoulder, while African forest elephants are smaller, weighing up to 2,700 kilograms, 6,000 pounds, and standing up to 2.5 meters, 8 feet, tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are lighter in color than African elephants, with lighter patches of skin on their heads and trunks. They are also smaller than African elephants, with males weighing up to 5,500 kilograms, 12,000 pounds, and standing up to 3 meters, 10 feet, tall at the shoulder, and females weighing up to 3,000 kilograms, 6,600 pounds, and standing up to 2.5 meters, 8 feet, tall at the shoulder. Despite their differences, all breeds of elephants are intelligent, social animals with complex family structures and strong bonds between individuals. They are also critical to the ecosystems in which they live, playing a key role in shaping their habitats by uprooting trees and other vegetation, creating pathways through forests, and distributing seeds. In addition to their ecological importance, elephants have also played an important cultural and symbolic role in many human societies. In many African and Asian cultures, elephants are revered as symbols of strength, wisdom, and good luck. They have also been featured in art, literature, and religious texts throughout history. In conclusion, the different breeds of elephants are fascinating and unique animals, with distinct physical, behavioral, and ecological.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, Me and Animals. See you in the next video.